One of the topics I've always found fascinating in music theory is when we get to talk about the melodies that we make and the harmonies that we use with those melodies. And we're going to open the door to that topic just a little bit today as we talk about the major scale and see how we can use the major scale to create various triads. So I've written here a major scale from C to C. We're pretty familiar with that sound at this point. And I've written the scale degree numbers over the notes. So we have over C, scale degree 1, D2, E3, F4, G5, A6, B7, and then back to scale degree 8 or scale degree 1 on C. And it turns out that we can create a root position triad based on every single note of the major scale. And I'd like to try that right now. So, using scale degree 1 as our root, or using C as our root, we can create a root position triad. And let's do that. We need a third above the root, and we need a fifth above the root. So what is a third above the root? That is an E. What is a fifth above the root? That is a G. So we can create this triad, C, E, G, whose root is scale degree 1. On the D, I can create a triad, a root position triad, whose root is D, or scale degree 2. And I need a third above the root, which is F, and a fifth above the root, which is A. So D, F, A is the triad that I can build on scale degree 2. On scale degree 3, or E, I can also build a triad. I need a third above the E, and I need, which is G, and I need a fifth above the E, which is B. So that is the triad, E, G, B, that uses the third scale degree as the root. Same thing on the fourth scale degree. F is the fourth scale degree, so that's going to be my root. I need a third above the F, which is A, and then a fifth above the F, which is C. So F, A, C is the chord that I can build on my fourth scale degree. On the fifth scale degree, G, I can build a triad. I need a third above the G, which is B, and a fifth above the G, which is D. Same thing on the sixth scale degree, which is A. I need a third above the A, and a fifth above the A, which is E. So there is my triad that is based on the, or has the sixth scale degree as the root. Same thing with the seventh scale degree, B, and then I need a third above the B, which is D, and a third above the D, which is F, and then finally I'm back to, since scale degree 8 and scale degree 1 are the same thing, I'm back to the C, and I'll just replicate that C, E, G triad, now an octave above. So look at this. We can build a triad using each scale degree as the root. The 1, the second scale degree, the third scale degree, the fourth scale degree, the fifth scale degree, the sixth, the seventh, and the eighth, or the first.